Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing, show you how to put together and a review on this Libman spin mop. Here's everything that comes in the box. 2 handles, we got the mop pad, here's the bucket. It's got a nice handle, and you can lift it up and pour stuff out of there. So first, let's put the handle together. Okay, so find this one, and there's the threaded part. You're going to insert it, and then screw it, tighten it down, hold this one. It should come to a stopping point. Okay, now we got to attach the mop pad. Here's what the mop pad looks like to this. You can attach it any which way, but you can step on it right here and here. Okay, it does work best on the floor. Put it over it. Step on both sides. Now it is attached. All right, now you're gently going to release this lever. There's the spin action. So now when I put it in the spin mop, when I push the handle down, it's going to spin it. And then when I get it nice and dry, I'm going to put it wherever length I want, and I'm going to lock that. That way it doesn't spin anymore, but now I can mop. So let's see how it's going to work. All right, it's got a max line right there. We're going to fill it to the bottom of that white line. It is kind of big, almost 19.5 inches wide. Height, about 10. Left to right is about 11. Now the mop itself is almost 12 inches. We'll see once it gets wet. Length of the handle is anywhere from, at its maximum is about 51 inches. At its minimum, almost 39 inches looks like. Again, you can adjust whatever length you want by, that's a lever. All right, got it full. Now on one side, it's got gallons and liters. So at the max, it looks like it's almost 2 gallons, not quite. All right, so let's add some fabulous soap. And that smells really good. Okay, let's wet the mop pad. Now let's put it in the spin mop. Make sure this lever is down. And now when I push the handle down, I'm simply just pushing the handle down at the top. And when I want to stop it, in whatever position I want, now I take my mop out and I'm ready to mop. Wow, it did spin it dry. It is very dry. Now if I don't want it that dry, say I just want it a little dry, put it in here. Now it's wet. Now I can do some good mopping. All right, put it back in. I want to do some rinsing. Put it in, kick down, put the mop in there. All right. Now what's nice about this, I like this, I got a big handle. I can pour out the side. I don't have to pour over here. I can pour out this hole right here. So very well balanced. Yeah, that's a nice spin mop. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.